What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took our first ride on this blue and white road glide, and we attempted a ride on our white and black road glide. Now, our white and black road glide, we either got to take the forks and the whole front end off, take the forks up to BBV so they can fill them up with like fluid and stuff like that, because right now it's bouncing like a cholo. I got most of the parts in for this blue and white bike. The only thing I think I don't got is the headlight. However, I do have extra headlight up there, so we might be able to work this one out. I'm pretty much ready to finish these things off as well. So I got the radio for it in stock, I got speakers for it, and then we should be good over here too, man. So we'll get that thing situated. Meanwhile, we do have most of the parts in for our new road glide that we got in last week, so we'll be pairing that together. We're just waiting for a fender to come, and then we can drop that thing off in Antonio and get that thing painted up. Meanwhile, man, if y'all just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys know we got our 2023 Harley Davidson CBO road glide up for grabs right now, man. We got until December 23rd to sell out and get you guys these things, man. Everything on the website is literally $23 for a chance to win this 2023 CVO. You get 23 entries per purchase, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com and let's sell out this thing before the 21st, man. I need us to sell out because, hey, if they don't sell out, then what you want me to do, man? That being said, let's get this show on the road, man. Let's see what we got up in here. Alrighty, now you guys see all this merch right here. I'm actually about to ship all this stuff out today right now. I finally got the boxes and packaging and everything for that. So all of this will pretty much be clear today. But first, I'm gonna get these motorcycle stuff and parts and stuff situated. Here are some of the new parts that we got. So of course we got 2 radios, 1, 2 for both of those bikes right there. We got a set of bars for this bike right there. Got some bars for that big daddy. We got crash bar for that bike. We got speakers for the blue road glide. We got side cover. Got a few parts, man. We gonna see what we can get done. Now that I got like pretty much half of that stuff shipped out, waiting for my other labels so we can ship the rest of the stuff out today. But it's time to get some work done on these bad boys. So first, I'm gonna start with this blue daddy-o. Snatch this outer fairing off, that radio on there, see if we can wire it up and get some fire up action. Also gonna jack the headlight from that bike to pop it in here and see if we can get that front end finished off so we ain't gotta deal with it no more. So let's see what we can get done. And just like that, guys, we have our radio on there. We got our speakers in, speakers work, radio works. So that's a plus. Now I'm about to go get the screws for these storage door covers, the screws for the headlight, and then same thing for this one. Then I also need these 4 screws up here to hold that freaking screen on and windshield like this, man. So about to go to hardware store, get these parts, come back and get these things looking a whole lot more complete. And after ripping and running around, we finally got all the screws we need to put this thing back together, except for the headlight screws. I might have some in here. If not, we'll go to Harley and get it together. But let's put them storage door covers on here and try to get this thing all tidied up and ready to go again. Just like that, guys, we got our headlight on there. I actually switched out the bezels. Those are gloss black because as you guys seen, they come with these like kind of flat black type of bezels, but the gloss black does look good. We got our outer fairing on there. We got our windshield on there looking good. Now if we come on this side, we can see how the inner fairing is looking real nice and complete. Like I said, radio works, headlight works. So that's a plus, man. I'm excited. We got tail lights and everything, man. So I'm excited. Let's do it up. Now we can actually I'm not really worried about this one just yet. I'm actually gonna have to take off the forks and everything on this one, so this one's gonna be a little bit more time consuming unless I just take it to BBV and have them do it. But I can take off the outer fairing and put in the radio and put on the windshield and stuff right now. But we're gonna try to see what we can get done and keep this show on the road, man. And just like that, man, we got them pretty much completed up. Fairing, windshield, everything, headlight, radio, speaker covers, everything on this one. Then I thought I'd order some extra speakers for this one. Turns out it looks like I gotta get some, unless I have some on order and they just didn't show up yet. But just gotta get speakers for this thing. But of course, radio on both of them. Works, ready to go. Lights, camera, action, man. Everything else is just literally like little stuff. We gotta take off the fork legs on this, get those filled up with fluid. Then I gotta take the cups, the fork sliders off of here so we can get this thing ready for paint, man. It look like I'm gonna tackle most of that in the morning. We're about to go live right now and see what y'all doing, man. It's a movie. Alrighty guys, it's late night. We done got our fork sliders off. However, the weak thing about this, I know it looked kind of janky before I even did it, but it's blown out. So we gotta get a whole new one. The other one seems like it's all right. So hopefully we can find a set of sliders when we get to LA. No big deal. But being that I think I got time, I feel like I'm gonna snatch this one off too while I'm at it. Shoot, I'm already doing it. Alrighty guys, next day here, man. We got a car full of parts right here, man. We just grabbed the last piece, our fork sliders, some brand new daddies right here, man. So we're on our way to our Antonio's right now to pick the color and see what we gonna do, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Get this show on the road, man. It's a movie. And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house. We done got all of our parts for our road glide at Antonio's ready for paint. So that should be ready in a couple days or so. So hopefully we can be here and receive that before we get up out of here. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2023 CVO Road Glide, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Everything is already shipped out if you order. Meanwhile, we still got more stuff on the website, man. So everything on the website right now is $23, man. You get 23 entries in for a chance to win our 2023 CVO Road Glide, man. I can't wait. Meanwhile, we got pretty much everything finished up in here today. The only thing I gotta do now, snatch those forks off that white and black bike. Y'all gonna catch that in the next video. But in the meantime, man, everything else for these bikes is on the way, so I can't wait. We gotta get these things ready to head to the warehouse, man. Y'all already know what time it is. In the meantime, I appreciate everybody tuning in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Hey.